This is my review for the Auctmarts fairings from China. I just received them today and they look fantastic. I'm really surprised at how good the paint quality is. These are for the S1000RR 2015. They took about 4 weeks to come, and then a week sitting in customs. They look absolutely fantastic. I'm really surprised at how good the paintwork is on them. Beautiful. Also received a free dart screen and a tag pad. So all in all, quite happy at the moment. I'll get them fitting Friday when I finish work, and then I'll give another review of how they went on, and I'll post another video how they look once they're on the bike itself. Thank you.